Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What brings you here today?
I would like to speak to you about learning spoken English.
You are most welcome. Let's start.
Thank you.
May I know your name?
Robin,
Nice to meet you, Robin. How much have you studied?
I've completed my BA, but despite that, I'm not able to speak English fluently. It has always been my wish to speak English confidently. Can you help me achieve that?
Absolutely, Robin. Fluency in English is certainly within your reach. Have you tried anything so far to improve your spoken English?
Yes, I've bought several books on spoken English and have gone through them. I've also watched several videos that claim they can make anyone speak English fluently. But none of them have really helped. I still struggle with speaking, and I don't feel confident.
I see. The issue might be in the approach you're taking. Books and videos are useful to some extent. But when it comes to speaking a language, the most important thing is the practice itself.
I am not good at grammar? Is that what's holding me back?
Not necessarily. Knowing grammar is important, but it's not the most crucial factor in speaking English fluently. Think about it. Do people need to study grammar in depth to speak their native language?
No, they don't.
Exactly. The same applies to learning English as well. The key to fluency is practice. The more you practice speaking and listening to English in real life situations, the more natural it will become. Grammar will come naturally as you understand spoken language in different situations.
That makes sense. But how do I get enough practice?
The best way to practice is by immersing yourself in the language. You need to listen to English regularly, engage in conversations, and not be afraid of making mistakes. In fact, making mistakes is part of the learning process.
I see. So, is practice more important than just learning grammar?
Absolutely. Practice is the most important aspect of achieving fluency. When you practice speaking regularly, you start thinking in English, which is essential for fluency. We have planned a course on YouTube that is designed to give you plenty of opportunities to listen to and understand various structures used in English. We focus on real life scenarios and practical conversations which will help you build confidence. Then, it's up to you. You should regularly practice what you've learned and improve your fluency.
That sounds exactly like what I need. That will surely work for me.
Great! We are looking forward to helping you achieve your goal. We will post more videos to help you learn English.
Thank you.
Most welcome.